And we're taking off with the DJI Mini 4K going up the road here. And for some reason, it seems to be going a little bit faster than I want it to. I'm in cine mode, but it seems like I have a little bit more speed. Now I got to be very careful because we have some branches that I just came a little bit too close to. So I'm going to go up the road here and then turn around and come back, fly over my house, and go as far back as I can over this construction site. I can hear a lot of construction behind my house, and I don't know how close they're getting or what they plan on building. I just know they're clearing out a whole lot of trees. And we're turning around here, and we'll come back down my street. And I'm not sure how far I can get because we will be shooting through a whole bunch of trees. But the DJI Mini 4K has a pretty good signal. So coming down my road. And at this point, my house is right down here. And I guess they're not getting too close to my house. That's still a lot of trees back here. Now there's a lot of land. I don't know how many acres. But coming up here, you can see how far they have gone. The trees they've cut out. I don't know just how close they plan on coming to my property, but where I live, it's nice and secluded, very peaceful. So we don't want a type of construction that would bring a lot of people. I'm hoping it's just homes. Maybe senior living would be great, but we will see. So as you can see, they've cleared out a lot of trees here, and they have done it in such a quick time too. So we'll fly over to the road here, the main road. This is Highway 521. And I am expecting my signal to cut out. At this point, it's getting a little bit weak. And it's going, we have lost signal. And what I'm going to do is hit the return to home button. If I can figure out how to do this. There we go. You can see the trees piled up right there. So right now, the aircraft is flying back on its own. We have engaged the return to home feature. And I do not have signal yet. So I can see a fence down there, it looks like. So hopefully they won't go any further than that fence. And I have my signal back. So I have taken it out of return to home. I'm flying the drone on my own right now. I just hope there's not townhomes or apartments going in here or a shopping center. A residential area would be okay. I got used to living in this area for the past 18 years. It's been so quiet. I hope it stays that way. So before we land, we're flying over my house right now. we'll go up towards the lake and swing around and come down my road. Beautiful land. Not the best lake. It's really muddy. It's not deep enough to really enjoy it. It's probably full of mosquitoes and snakes and what have you. Alright, so we're near the end of my road here. We're going to swing around. And I saw someone at the end of my road. It looked like they were having a party. We'll check out what's going on there. Coming down in height some. We'll fly over their house coming up right here. I wonder if anyone's looking up, if anyone can see us. So we will gradually reduce our height, making sure we avoid any trees down here. So I got a good idea of the construction site that will be okay for a while anyways. I'll do an update in a few months and seeing how far they've gotten. There I am down here. So I'm looking at my iPhone. I can hear the drone, and I've gotten too close to these trees here. So I've just stopped, getting a visual of the drone, and I'm going to fly it by watching the drone and coming in for landing. Thanks guys for watching, and we'll have more videos in the future.